Good evening, one and all. I am Ujjwal Kumar, a second year student of School of Infrastructure enrolled in its four-year Bachelor of Technology course in Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports in the Gymkhana election for this academic session, and hereby present my statement of purpose for the same. Speaking about my credential, I have been a part of regional level volleyball team from Lucknow region. I have also represented Lucknow region when I was in class 9. I have been a part of many inter-IIT contingent team from the past 2 years. As a player in the volleyball team, the only volleyball team among the new IITs that has reached quarter final in last 2 years. I have been an athlete since class 6 and participated in cricket and volleyball, captained many times and won many man of the match and man of the series award in inter-Navodaya Vidyalaya tournaments. I have been playing in DPL from last 2 seasons. I was man of the series in previous season where I performed well as an all-rounder. I was captain my team and led the team close to semi-final in this season. As a part of volleyball team, we played inter-college volleyball match with XIMB where our team performed well and won the match. I have been participating in General Championship from last 2 years. Played 3 years in first year basketball, cricket and volleyball. In the second year, I was the captain of volleyball team from my department which reached finals. I was also part of cricket team in second year which was also runner-up. In the tournament, I again performed well in the tournament, becoming the highest wicket taker of the tournament where I took 8 wickets in 3 matches. The following are my proposals and I shall work for the same. There are about 59 events in athletics in inter-IIT, but our institute participates in only few of them. This time we will cover more events and more participation in athletics. Thus will be encouraged more and included in the athletics team whose number is negligible currently in the team. Participation in more and more inter-college events will be done so as to give more complete practice for our players. The basketball court in Gojna need repairs and it will be done with priority. There has not been a scope for hockey in our institute. Despite a lot of interested players, facilities will be provided and a hockey team will be made. The tender will be quoted as soon as possible so that each and every player gets it fit and comfortable to their sizes and requirements. The list of items needed will be made after the consulting the captain, coaches and officials of Gymkhana. It will ensure that the kits are made available at least 1 month in advance to players so that they can practice with them. Coaches will be made available to each and every team on the permanent basis and they will be going to inter-IIT with their team. MTech, MSc and PhD students will also be included more in sports because till now their participation has been limited. They will be regularly informed about practice and selection schedule and encouraged to participate to generate a good competition among the players, which will be beneficial to our institute. I shall organize the General Championship successfully with a proposal of MSc and MTech students also being included in it. More and more practice is the key to success in any sports. This has been a problem particularly in the event semester where after coming back from inter-IIT, schedule for badminton, cricket balls and all these things cannot be provided by Gymkhana due to unavailability. It will be ensured that this hindrance does not occur and player can practice with regularity in event semester 2. The number of days for practice need to be increased. The practice schedule for every team will be decided by consulting the coach and captain, and the time best fit for the player will be recommended so that the player can utilize the free time for practice and develop coordination within their team. As the discipline is the fundamental part of any sport, I will ensure that strict rules regarding regularity and punctuality should be maintained. Players not being regular Players not being regular to schedule and being absent from practice session without prior notice will be imposed fine. This decorum will be maintained as a sportsmanship and enhance the performance and reputation of our IT in front of all others. The bus timing will be made regular and also arranged on holidays prior notice to players, realizing the importance of their time, and it will be ensured that no time will be wasted on part of transportation delay. The Gymkhana item will also collected and issued from the respective hostel officers to ensure proper circulation, maintenance and availability to the students. All the hostels will have a suggestion and convenience box where students can give their complaints and suggestions and work collectively for the betterment of the sports. And a farewell sports tournament will also be organized for the passing out batch as a memory for them, where the competition will be between teams from passing out batch versus rest of institute. This will not only promote sports but also create a happy interactive environment between the seniors and juniors. The students interested in swimming and non-tennis currently have to pay on their own to Kalinga Stadium authorities to practice, since not having permanent campus should not arise as a hindrance to students interested in these sports. Do Gymkhana will pay for the pool and tennis court, and accordingly the temporary arrangement will be made. This will encourage participation in these sports and bring more medals in subsequent years. As the future of any institute lies in the junior years, more number of juniors will be encouraged and considered for the selection, so that in their stay here they can enhance their sporting skill and improve the quality of sport toward the benefit of the institute. Rather than only concentrating on the inter-IT contingent of our institute, I will encourage the development of sport and create a system such that each and every student can be involved in sport. This will develop the overall personality and create a new young talent in sport which will be pride to our institute.